Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I will show you how to make homemade hot dog from scratch. These are the ingredients we need: flour, yeast, sugar, butter, milk, eggs, and sausages. Start by mixing your dry ingredients, then add butter, milk, and egg. Mix everything together. Knead the dough very well until it becomes soft and smooth. Cover the dough and allow it to rise for about 1 hour. Cut the dough into small pieces and roll each one flat. Place the sausage inside and wrap it nicely with the dough. Brush egg on top to give it a nice golden color. Place it in the oven and bake until golden brown. Our homemade hot dog is ready. It looks soft, golden, and very delicious. You can enjoy it with ketchup or your favorite sauce. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more recipes.